Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. How y'all doing tonight? I am back on here guys with a project. Yes, another project. I have a project for a centerpiece. The color scheme is navy blue, beige, and brown. First of all, I had to call up and find out how big the table was, and she said it's a long table. I asked that to determine how big should the centerpiece be. This is what I'm going to use for the base. It's just a wooden tray that has these this rope on it for the handles. Twine, I think you call it. And I'm going to take that off. Those will be replaced with these beads here. These are the beads that I want to use for the brown. I'm going to show you what I bought from Dollar Tree today. Dun, 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 a surprise haul. A project haul. That's what this was. I bought these little signs, chalkboard wood stakes. A girlfriend of mine, Josetta, Miss Josette, she's going to build a fairy garden with bunny rabbits and things. So there you go, Miss Josette. Alright, it's for her. So, in talking about the color scheme for this DIY, I have this. So, instead of maybe using this and going through the spray painting thing, I can just set that on here. Right? Right? And I bought 2 of them. Tell you what else. The other idea I have for this project. These candle holders, these candles, little jars. I thought to take these, take this off, and use this as the foot to the bottom of this. So this would be raised up off of the table. And it is just the right, yeah. So I bought 4 of these candles. Smells good. I bought 4 of them. And this is what I'm going to use for the foot. I also bought some blue acrylic gems. This is the royal blue. I have this single flower vase or double flower vase. This vase. What else in here? So I was going to take this and put this inside of here like that. Pour this around the inside. Okay, what's in there? And this will go inside here. I put these candles inside of these votive candle holders. Again, these are for the legs. And I have options as far as what to do. So if you guys stick around with me, and I will show you how I bring this centerpiece to life. I have options and I have something to work with. So stick around guys and see how this turns out. Alright? Okay guys, I am back. And what I have done here is I sanded down the corners of the box. I cleaned off all of the glassware. Glued the candlestick holder onto the base or the bottom of the other candlestick holder. So, and this one here, I told you I would glue the glass, the single flower vase inside of the bigger vase. So what I've done here is I've taken the plastic from around the mouth of this lid, which goes to a candle holder. So I sanded down the box because I want the glue, this glue, to set in really, really good. There. And this one. There. What I have, you say, what do I have that can weigh this down? Oh, this right here. Yep, and that's going to do it good. So, guys, I'm going to let this sit overnight, and I'll see you guys when I come back. All right, guys, we're going outside here, and we are going to spray paint this table. I mean, not this table, this tray. Oh, yes. Dusk right now. Oh, brother. No good, y'all. I just broke the damn cap. Oh, freak. Yep, I just messed up. Oh, I had it going on for a second, though. This ain't gonna do nothing. Damn. Well, guys, anyway, this is the tray that I was working on yesterday as far as gluing. And I told you how I sanded down the bottom so that the glue would adhere well to this bottom of this tray. And this is what it's looking like so far. And this is how the candle holder looks. This one here. Candle on the inside is all ready. As you can see, it's lit. And yep. And this is how the other one turned out, the double glass. This one. But these are the red gems. I had the blue, the royal blue gems in, but they were just so dark. So, yep, and that's how this turned out. Turn it around. And then it would look better if it was full to the rim. And I was still trying to figure out what I was going to do, like put inside. I do have foam, floral foam to put inside for the flowers. Now I have these. It's like the burlap. These are burlap flowers. You can see the material texture. Hey guys, this is day number 3 working on this project, and I did go to the store and I did get the beige paint that I needed, spray paint. So there we go. Puts a little light on the subject, huh? Okay, and this is the color I bought. It's Rust-Oleum 2x Ultra Cover Paint and Primer. And this is what they call smoky beige. Yeah. Alright, that's the color. And this is the satin finish, I believe. Yeah. Real thin there, but there it is. Satin finish. And it doesn't look bad. I already proceeded to spray paint it because I kept getting interrupted like I always do when I come back here. It takes so long to get back here, and then it takes even more time to get situated. So, and this is how the beige turned out on the tray here. I like the way it lays on the green, or the green still shows through, but actually that's going to be covered up. But I like this side. And this is the other side. So, this is how the bottom turned out. You see I was a little overboard with the paint right there. So I'm going to have to let this sit for a little bit longer because it's still a little tacky on the glass feet. But yeah. Oh, and that little thing right there, I should have pushed it over more. See how the other ones are? And that's when I told you guys that I was just doing it. I was just eyeballing. I wasn't even doing any specifics as far as placement of the hardware. But anyway, that's what I got going on. So guys, I'll be back. Alright guys, so tell me what you think. This is the centerpiece done. I had some technical difficulty and was not able to finish the step-by-step process, but this is the end result. Alright, so let me know what you guys think. There it is. There are the handles I told you I would replace. And this beige turned out pretty nice. Again, I like the way the wood grain still shows through. And that's it guys. So I hope that you liked this video and that you picked up some tips or ideas. And hey, share. Let me know what you came up with for a boxed floral centerpiece. Alright guys, so if you like this content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will know. Alright guys, bye-bye. This is what it looks like with the candles lit up inside. I know guys, sorry about that orangey effect. It just seems like this house has this orange glow in it. No matter what room we're in, but anyway guys, this is what it looks like with the lights off or lights dimmed. And I think that is so pretty. I wish you could see the true color of it. Oh, I probably could have just put on a flash, but no, that would take away from that. Anyway, that's it in the dark too, or the ambiance look.